Hello there, it's Ben at Fidelity Designs Limited, and I wanted to do a little video today to show you a new sub-platter design that I've come up with for Rega turntables. I've been selling quite a few of the standard version 6082 alloy sub-platter upgrade for the turntables. It's very popular and people seem to like it. Now I was thinking about the platters, and you often hear flywheel effects mentioned now with the turntable design, and that's what I've tried to incorporate into this new sub-platter design. I call it the LCG design, or low centre of gravity design, but it's a flywheel type design, and basically you can see it's dished, so the upper side it's machined away, and if you look on the underside there's a very slight recess, so the centre of gravity has been lowered and it's now closer to the bearing, so you know that's going to put less side load on the bearing when it's spinning. And if you look at it, you can see that most of the mass has been moved to the outside of the sub-platter now, as much as possible compared to the original design, so it stores kinetic energy more efficiently, so when it's spinning you get less losses, so technically it should spin for longer than the standard version. That's what I'm hoping. And that's the same effect you get with the acrylic platter upgrades. They have a recess cut underneath, and that is to contain the sub-platter, the belt and the motor, and allow the turntable to run at the same height, so it doesn't affect the VTA of the turntable, so you can just swap the original glass sub-platter and mat for the acrylic one, and you're still running at the same height. But a byproduct of that is that you do get this flywheel effect, so it does spin more efficiently. Now I wanted to put this to the test and see, does it actually work? So I've got a couple of Rega bearing sleeves, and I'm going to put these sub-platters into these sleeves. So they're just the standard sleeves, so let me put the sub-platters into them and then we'll spin them up and see what happens. Now bear with me because I've dislocated my right shoulder, so I am not firing on all cylinders at the moment, which isn't good. That's the first one in. Now the new version's lighter than the other one. It's 40 grams lighter, so the original version's about 250 grams and this one's about 210, so that gives you an indication of the mass that's been removed. Okay, now I just move my right hand into position. I'm having to help it into position with my other hand. I'll spin the LCG version up first, so that will give the other one a head start. So if I get this one spinning, so spinning, get to the other one, spin it up, let's see what happens. I'll give them another spin. Oh yeah, so let's do it again, let's try it again. Well, let it spin that time. So let's see, it's a bit of a dead heat, that first one, although the yeah, so you can see that the LCG version, it does spin slightly longer than the other one. I'm going to give it another go, just with a good spin, and give this one a good spin. I know it's not the most scientific test, but it gives you an idea, doesn't it, whether these changes of design make any difference in practice. So yeah, considering that the LCG version, it had a head start effectively, it does spin for slightly longer than the other one, so we can say, yeah, this sort of design, it does have a bit of an effect. So there you go, now you know. Not a massive difference, but a bit of a difference. Some people might prefer the look of them, so there you go. That's another product that's going to be available for people. And I'll make some videos soon and speak to you again.